ClickOnCare.com.
Hello friends, this is Ankita from ClickOnCare, back again with a new product review. Today my product review is gonna be on Bellissa Acne Soap. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and while you're there, don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss the video update from ClickOnCare. Bellissa Soap, it is marketed by Bellissa Pharmaceuticals and it comes in the 75 gram, and the main ingredients of these products is it has glycerin, it has olive oil, tea tree oil, aloe vera, leaf extracts and many other. The main benefit of this product is it is very beneficial if you have acne, and it also lightens your skin. It has main properties like it is antibacterial, antiseptic, antimicrobial, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. Now if I unbox this, the product looks like this. It is very easy to use. Wash your face with water and then apply it twice or thrice a day. And if you want a better result, always use a clean cotton or a clean towel to wipe your face. So this is it for today. If you like this video, like, share and comment. And if you want to purchase this product, you can visit our site www.ClickOnCare.com, or there's a link given in the description box. Thank you.
ClickOnCare.com, the largest online cosmeceutical, dermacare and nutrition store. Now on Android and